In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off two-step verification in Gmail. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, move to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, click Manage Your Google Account. This will open your Google Account settings page in a new tab. On the left sidebar menu, click Security and Sign In. Scroll down until you find the section labeled How You Sign In to Google. In that section, click Two-Step Verification. You'll be taken to the two-step verification settings page. Before making changes, make sure your account recovery information is up to date so you don't lose access to your account. Scroll down the page until you locate the option to turn off two-step verification. This option is usually found near the bottom area of the page. Click the Turn Off button. Confirmation prompt will appear explaining that turning off two-step verification will remove the extra layer of security from your account. To proceed, click Turn Off again to confirm. Once the process is complete, two-step verification will be disabled for your Google account. You may also receive a confirmation notification inside your Gmail inbox informing you that the security setting has been changed. That's basically how you turn off two-step verification in Gmail. Congratulations